As the first rays of sunlight spread across the endless grasslands, the African savanna awakens. Hidden in the tall golden grass, predators prepare for the hunt, while massive herds begin their daily journey. This is a land of beauty, danger, and survival, a place where every day is a battle between life and death. Stretching across much of eastern and southern Africa. The savanna is a vast ecosystem of grasslands dotted with acacia trees. During the wet season, the land bursts into life. Fresh grass grows rapidly, attracting millions of animals. Towering above the plains, the gentle giants of the savanna roam freely. African elephant use their trunks to gather food and water, while giraffe browse leaves high in the trees that few other animals can reach. Every creature has found its place in this remarkable environment. Each year, one of the greatest wildlife spectacles on Earth unfolds across the savanna. More than 1 million blue wildebeest and hundreds of thousands of zebras travel hundreds of miles in search of fresh grass and water. The journey is filled with danger. Rivers teem with crocodiles waiting beneath the surface. Predators stalk the edges of the herd, yet the migration continues, driven by an ancient instinct that has guided these animals for thousands of years. As darkness falls, the hunters emerge. The mighty lion rules much of the savanna. Working together, lionesses coordinate attacks on large prey, using teamwork and patience. But lions are not the only predators. The lightning-fast cheetah can accelerate faster than most sports cars, while the stealthy leopard relies on camouflage and surprise. Meanwhile, spotted hyena patrol the plains, using intelligence and powerful jaws to compete with other predators. When the rains disappear, survival becomes far more difficult. Water holes shrink under the scorching sun. Grass turns brown and brittle. Animals must travel farther each day to find food and water. Young animals face the greatest challenge. Many do not survive the harsh conditions, yet those that endure become stronger and more resilient. The drought reminds every creature of the savanna that survival is never guaranteed. Finally, dark clouds gather on the horizon. Thunder echoes across the plains as rain begins to fall. Within days, green shoots emerge from the dry earth. The savanna is reborn. Animals return to areas abandoned during the drought. New life appears everywhere. Calves, foals, and cubs take their first steps into a world full of opportunity and danger. The cycle begins again. The African savanna is more than a grassland. It is a living stage where millions of animals play their roles in one of nature's greatest stories. From mighty elephants and towering giraffes to stealthy predators and migrating herds, every creature is connected in an endless cycle of survival, struggle, and renewal. In the African savanna, every sunrise brings a new chapter, and every sunset closes another unforgettable day in the wild.